The next characteristic of functions we're going to look for are called extrema, or local and global extrema, or really what you're going to look for is minimum and maximums. Okay, and what we need to do is find the points. So what I have is the function. I have the function f of x equals x to the fourth minus 7x squared plus 6x, and we're looking at these. So these points that I've highlighted, all right, that one, and that one. We see that the one on the left, we see that the lowest point in that region, so it's a local extrema, and it's actually a minimum, right? And I'm using Desmos, or I use Desmos to find that, but make sure you can use that by calculation on your graphing calculator. I'll gladly help you, but it's second calculate, all right? And then look for the word minimum, and I think you can figure it out, but I'll gladly help. All right, so that's a minimum. But not only is that a local minimum, but we look at the entire graph and never, right, we're kind of like bounded, never does the output go below that line. So we're going to say this is a global minimum, right? A global minimum. All right, look at the second region there. You see that as the graph, the outputs increase, and then they hit a maximum. So we're calling that point a maximum. Now I see that there are other parts of the graph here and here that go above that maximum. So it's not a global maximum. We're going to call it a local maximum. And then the third region, we see, we're getting a little messy here, but the third region, we see, the graph, the outputs go lower and lower and lower and reach a minimum, and then they go out above that. So we've got another minimum. Can't spell. And because there are other portions of the graph that are below, we'll just call that one a local minimum. So it's minimums and maximums what we're talking about when we talk about extrema. And then the question is it a local minimum, local maximum, or is it global?